Hello everyone, here we have a B-43, perhaps a number 43. It isn't badged or stamped at the bottom. Got this off of eBay, came in today, and it was in pretty bad shape. This fitting right here for the whistle top was completely missing. Just a hole, bugs inside. As you can tell, the nickel is in horrible shape. I also needed to re-sweat the main stack. Here you can see the stack I haven't polished or cleaned at all, and here I've cleaned as much as I could the nickel on the tank. Not really much difference. I haven't really done much other than wash off the engine base and the workings and oiled it. I think I'm going to leave it pretty much like it is because it's not much use to unless I completely nickel everything and repaint everything. I'm just going to leave it like this as a survivor. It is a pumper. Meaning right here we can add water. It was completely clogged up with calcium, and I had to use CLR to soak it for about 2, maybe 3 hours to get the check ball to free up at the bottom. I also had to replace the spring inside for the side checksum. Thinking computers. Check ball. Also, we have new seals and attached the fittings and cleaned them up a little bit. Whistle works. I took this all from a donor and sweated it on. Tried to clean the dent that was over here because it was like kicked over this way. About the best I can do with it. Let's see if I can pump water into it. The engine is slowing down because cold water is going inside the tank. And there you go. One shot glass. It's so hot. There you go. A little bit left over because the bottom doesn't reach the bottom of the spigot. This is also a reverser, meaning that it goes both directions. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed it. See you next time.